Now it's time for some Papa G's. I've done some stenciling with our legacy polka, and now we're going to be playing with our gilders. I've got Aruba here, the rich gold, and Rosie. I'm just going to do the side of the table here in the corner, and then let me show you how easy it is. Look at this beautiful Aruba color. So this one I like circular movements. Just works better than dabbing. Just show you how stunning that is. Some Rosie, a whole lot of Rosie. A Rosie girl. And we got a beautiful rich gold going on here. Beautiful.